In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft SharePoint. Configure a news web part. By the end, you'll know how to add the news web part to a modern page, fine-tune its source and layout, and publish your changes so they're ready for your audience. First, open SharePoint in your browser and head to the site where you want the news to appear. Make sure you're on the page you want to update and that you have permission to edit it. If you're unsure, look for an edit button near the top of the page. If you can see it, you're good to go. Click Edit to enter page editing mode. You'll see plus signs appear where you can insert new content. Choose the spot on the page where the news should live, click the plus sign, and select News from the Web Part gallery. This immediately adds a news web part to your page with a default setup. Next, open the web part settings by selecting the Edit Web Part icon on the left of the component. This opens a configuration pane on the right where you'll make key choices that control what shows up and how it looks. Start by selecting the news source. You can pull items from this site, from all sites in your hub, or from specific sites you pick. Use this site for focused local updates. Choose the hub option to roll up news across related sites. Select sites is great when you want a curated blend from a few places. SharePoint will respect audience permissions automatically, so viewers only see what they're allowed to see. Then choose a layout. Top story is a bold, hero-style look for highlighting a major update. Side by side shows a balanced grid that works well for a steady stream of posts. List delivers a compact, scannable feed, carousel cycles through items one at a time, and is ideal when space is tight, but you want high visual impact. Pick the style that matches your content and the space available on your page. If you need to focus the feed, use filtering to narrow what appears. You can filter by page properties or manage properties to target specific tags, categories, or attributes your team uses. This is particularly helpful when you want to spotlight items like announcements, events, or department-specific updates. Under Organizing Options, decide whether to hide the title area for a cleaner look and whether to show a See All link so visitors can browse the full archive of news. When you're satisfied, commit your changes by selecting Republish or Publish at the top right. Your news web part is now live and ready to inform your audience.